So this one right over here is the Australia Pavilion, and it's quite big actually from outside, and also you can see they have displayed a pretty nice kangaroo outside. Thank you. So we just came to the Australia Pavilion right now in Expo 2020, and this is the entrance. Really amazing and beautiful. They have displayed all these screens on right and left, telling all the information and the culture about Australia. And then once we are inside, they have this really nice 360 view installation.
Today is my day. Let's go! The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef and the only living organism that you can see from space.
And as soon as we are out from that small little movie screening which they have showcased all about Australia, and once we are out they have displayed this really nice gift shop, and it's pretty huge actually, and they have literally every single thing over here. And as soon as we are out they have small food stalls and a pretty nice sitting area. And this one right over here is the Denmark Pavilion. It's located right next to Australia Pavilion actually in mobility. And this is the entrance for Denmark Pavilion. Looks pretty nice. So as we keep walking along in this area, they have displayed about the future, about the design, about the living style, and of course about the food as well in their country. And this area they have showcased about the future is bright of Denmark, all about their future plans. And then once we are out from this area, this small area is another part over here, and this one is the gift shop in Denmark Pavilion. They have displayed all the Danish things. And this one right over there is the Finland Pavilion. The structure of this looks quite unique from all the other pavilions. Let's see how it is from inside. So as soon as we are in, they have displayed all these information on the right side, and this is how the pavilion looks like from inside. As we keep walking along, they have displayed all these information, saving human lives for smarter healthcare and our worldwide network. And this is the gift shop right at the end. And as soon as we are out from the gift shop, it says future begins here, and that's the exit, I guess. And as soon as we are out from Finland, they have this amazing area over here. Looks really nice and massive. And this pavilion is the France Pavilion, and it's located right next to Thailand Pavilion actually. Looks quite big from outside. And this is the way to go inside. That's the entrance. On both sides they actually have pretty nice restaurants as well, and on this side this is the gift shop, and right in front is the entrance. So this is the area where they have displayed all the information. And this is another area in France Pavilion where they have showcased about the space, all the information about that. And then once we go out to this area, it's all about planet science. And this is the gift shop as soon as you're out from France Pavilion. And these are the restaurant in France Pavilion. Quite huge.